Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 or a 30 by 40 centimetre canvas which I have put on some black and some white, and it's drying very quickly. It's very humid here today. I intend doing Dutch pork. Haven't done one for a long while, so I thought I would do half black and half white, and I have a little smidgen here of gold which is also thickening up on me. Not much I can do. That's okay, I think that'll be alright. So I'm just going to start with the gold. I'm just not really sure what sort of pattern I might care for, so I'm just going to do it like this. Right, and now some black over this side. Hopefully this will be quite pretty. And some white over this side. Maybe a little bit more black, I don't know. So we'll see how this goes. Putting on the black here, and the white around here. And then I shall get my trusty little hairdryer. Whoops, throwing things around here. Will you come across a bit more for me? Oops, turned it right off. I have to see what's wrong here. So if I turn it on, that's not working. That will. Goodness, that was hard earned, and I don't like it. Okay, so that side looks alright. This is pretty pathetic, so I want more gold for a start. And I want some black. And some white. Oops. Oh well, I got white. I said I wanted white. We'll try again. Well, that is certainly different. So some black can go in here. Blow that out in a minute. Make some of this white. And we'll see how we go now. That looks pretty good to me. Pretty good indeed. Hopefully when the gold dries it'll be nice and sparkly. I could have done with some more white along here, I think. I have too much paint on here, but we'll see how we are going. One more go. Okay, yes, that isn't too bad. It's not very good. Huh? What a shame. Alright, well, what can I do? Oh, I can swipe it with gold and see. And we'll see how that goes. Gold's a bit thick, but not as thick as some. We'll just see how this goes. The recipes for the paint and the pouring medium here you'll find under Show More, just below this video, and you're more than welcome to come there and check that out, of course. And just a little bit of a squeeze, and then we'll see what we have. It's a shame the dotty didn't work, but bound to get something here. Oops. I've got rather a lot of paint here. What I might do, because that's looking very goldy, is scoop some of this paint up when I see what I'm doing. Where are you? looking. Can't find, that'll do. Get this spatula. And hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. I'm just putting this paint back onto the canvas, and then I'm going to tilt it off. Because they're rather nice colours. I have done this before off camera, and it turned out to be a really pretty painting. So here we go. Because I get it all over me too doing it this way, but there we go. Oops, there's some more. Like this one. Take it down a bit more. There you go. Right. Now I'm just going to torch it and see what I have. I might wipe my hands first. The water's starting to get a little bit murky. It's because they've switched the water, town water off here, and they're doing repairs. And I'm running out. Excellent. That's really pretty. Looks a bit like marble. Just a few little wiggles and waggles. Wiggle that one a bit much. Wonder what it'll look like if I tilted it that way. Let's see. Yes, getting a few extra patterns. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that, I think, because it's very pretty. so I'll bring you down to have a look. I'll wipe my hands first, I think. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and click the little bell beside the word subscribe and you will be notified as I put videos up. And please give this one the thumbs up. I do appreciate when people give me the thumbs up for my paintings. It helps to place them on YouTube. And this one's really quite pretty. Looks a bit like wood. And what else? I think I told you everything. You'll find a link under Show More as well for my Fine Arts America page. If you'd like to subscribe to help me keep this channel going, there's a link there to PayPal Pay Me. All donations would be gratefully accepted. That's really pretty. I like this one. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed it, and please subscribe, click the bell and thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.